everybody the whole TikTok where lose half of me because of the decision I'm gonna make. Sorry. This too shall pass. Don't me. You see me? Yeah. All of the people out there where I say too late to be the bigger person. Never too late. And when I say I'm sorry, I'm not gonna tell them say anything where them have planned, them can still come forth with it because that I suppose. So what if I might karma that? You see me? So them can come forward with anything where them have planned. But me now, cause I feel TT, me know, and at that I feel fuck up in every single way. Even majority of the time when I come out and I do where you see me I do, I feel hurting on myself while doing it.